I go to school every day. I go to school every day. I like my teacher. I like my teacher. I sit in the classroom. I sit in the classroom. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I read books in class. I read books in class. I raise my hand to answer questions. I raise my hand to answer questions. I listen carefully to the teacher. I listen carefully to the teacher. I learn new things every day. I learn new things every day. I play with my friends during break. I play with my friends during break. I eat lunch in the school cafeteria. I eat lunch in the school cafeteria. I carry my school bag. I carry my school bag. I write neatly in my notebook. I write neatly in my notebook. I study math in the morning. I study math in the morning. I learn English vocabulary. I learn English vocabulary. I read storybooks in the library. I read storybooks in the library. I listen to my classmates. I listen to my classmates. I answer questions in the classroom. I answer questions in the classroom. I do homework after school. I do homework after school. I participate in class activities. I participate in class activities. I respect my teachers and classmates. I respect my teachers and classmates. I write essays in English. I write essays in English. I take notes during the lesson. I take notes during the lesson. I learn science in the laboratory. I learn science in the laboratory. I read the blackboard carefully. I read the blackboard carefully. I play games in the playground. I play games in the playground. I attend art class. I attend art class. I color pictures in art class. I color pictures in art class. I sing songs in music class. I sing songs in music class. I learn computer skills. I learn computer skills. I take part in school events. I take part in school events. I join the morning assembly. I join the morning assembly. I sing the national anthem. I sing the national anthem. I listen to school announcements. I listen to school announcements. I meet my friends in the corridor. I meet my friends in the corridor. I go to the library to read. I go to the library to read. I borrow books from the library. I borrow books from the library. I return books on time. I return books on time. I learn new words in the classroom. I learn new words in the classroom. I study history in class. I study history in class. I study geography in class. I study geography in class. I solve math problems. I solve math problems. I read aloud in class. I read aloud in class. I learn new lessons. I learn new lessons. I do group activities. I do group activities. I ask questions to my teacher. I ask questions to my teacher. I answer questions politely. I answer questions politely. I keep my classroom clean. I keep my classroom clean. I take care of school property. I take care of school property. I write tests regularly. I write tests regularly. I revise lessons at home. I revise lessons at home. I study English grammar. I study English grammar. I learn spelling words. I learn spelling words. I practice writing sentences. I practice writing sentences. I memorize poems. I memorize poems. I enjoy reading stories. I enjoy reading stories. I participate in quizzes. I participate in quizzes. I join sports competitions. I join sports competitions. I respect school rules. I respect school rules. I help my classmates. I help my classmates. I complete homework on time. I complete homework on time. I learn computer typing. I learn computer typing. I study different subjects. I study different subjects. I draw diagrams in science class. I draw diagrams in science class. I write neatly on the blackboard. I write neatly on the blackboard. I learn new vocabulary words. I learn new vocabulary words. I listen to educational videos. I listen to educational videos. I learn about history and culture. I learn about history and culture. I practice handwriting daily. I practice handwriting daily. I do science experiments. I do science experiments. I enjoy learning new things. I enjoy learning new things. I read newspapers in class. I read newspapers in class. I learn good habits at school. I learn good habits at school. I greet my teachers every day. I greet my teachers every day. I share my ideas in class. I share my ideas in class. I learn to work in groups. I learn to work in groups. I study English conversation. I study English conversation. I read stories in English. I read stories in English. I practice speaking with friends. I practice speaking with friends. I do my assignments carefully. I do my assignments carefully. I revise lessons before exams. I revise lessons before exams. I enjoy drawing in class. I enjoy drawing in class. I write poems in my notebook. I write poems in my notebook. I learn moral lessons at school. I learn moral lessons at school. I participate in debate competitions. I participate in debate competitions. I listen to stories from my teacher. I listen to stories from my teacher. I learn manners in school. I learn manners in school. I help teachers in the classroom. I help teachers in the classroom. I follow school timetable. I follow school timetable. I sit quietly in class. I sit quietly in class. I respect my classmates' opinions. I respect my classmates' opinions. I write reports in English. I write reports in English. I read textbooks carefully. I read textbooks carefully. I revise lessons with my friends. I revise lessons with my friends. I learn to solve problems. I learn to solve problems. I enjoy science experiments. I enjoy science experiments. I participate in art competitions. I participate in art competitions. I clean my desk every day. I clean my desk every day. I enjoy school trips. I enjoy school trips. I learn new subjects every day. I learn new subjects every day. I love going to school. I love going to school.